New to this channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get latest notification about technology.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Innovative Age Tech YouTube channel. And today actually I am going to unbox another item which is actually a CCTV DVR. Let's get started. So hello my friends, this is the new DVR which is actually from Hikvision. It's a turbo HD DVR, and as you can see this is very good DVR. It's an HD DVR, okay, and this is DS7A00 series. This supports up to 4 megapixel cameras. Yes, you heard it correctly, it supports up to 4 megapixel of camera, okay, and it has H.265 video compression. It's an HD input with mobile surveillance, so you will have to use Hikvision, the proprietary app which is there in a Play Store and Apple Store as well. Okay, so it has the Hdmi interface as well, and it's a turbo HD DVR. You can see here the options. It has a USB backup, so you can plug in your USB external drive as well, and then it has a web access. Mobile surveillance is also there, as I told. So talking about the price, so obviously the price in India is near to about the mentioned price on this is around 6,000 something, okay, but in India it is actually selling for, is what I know, is 4,000. okay, this is a 4 channel. There is an 8 channel as well. So as you can see, this is 6400, okay, this is a 4 channel. There is an 8 channel which sells about 5,400. This is 4,000, that is 5,400. As usual, links will be in the description. You can go ahead and check that. It's the best DVR available in the market. It's better than CP Plus. I will tell you about that as well. So I'll open it now. This is the entire unit. You will get a DVR itself, okay, and as you can see, there are the ports. These are the 4 channels, 4 ports, okay. HDMI, you can connect monitor, TV, VGA, you can connect monitor on this, and audio out and audio in, and then you have Ethernet port, USB LAN and USB port, 12 volt DC, and the earth port. Sometimes the earthing is required for the DVRs because the camera will get lightning or thunder, and it can actually pass that lightning and thunder to these ports. If you put the earthing port, it will be actually good. So the ground port is very important, and this DVR comes with that. The physical overview is simple. There are 3 LEDs here, that's all. Next thing which you will get is the adapter. Obviously the adapter will help you to power it on. Another thing which you will get for the hard disk. So these are the hard disk power and SATA port, SATA cable, screws for connecting the hard disk. You will get a mouse even, and this is a small mouse. It's a general mouse, not very good quality, but yeah, it will work. So this is what you get in the box, and it works well. I will share you the live footage and everything from this DVR. So you can buy this DVR. It's at a very good price. It's a smart enabled. You can view it on your mobile. You can really view it on the laptop or a PC, and it supports ON VIF. So all your ON VIF cameras will also support with this, and up to 4 megapixel cameras you can put on this, okay. So that's all for this video, my friends. Hope you like this unboxing, and you may purchase this device if you want to get a CCTV solution. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Keep subscribe our channel and like, share our videos.